Hey Colorado owners, frustrated with a dead dash cam? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break down some quick fixes. First, check the basics. Is your dash cam plugged in securely? Sometimes a loose cable is all it takes to kill the power. Next, look at the power source. If you're using the 12V socket, test it with another device. If that's not working either, you might just have a blown fuse. Now check the fuse box. There's usually one fuse dedicated to the dashcam circuit. If it's blown, swap it out for a new one with the same rating. Still no luck? Try your dashcam in another car, or plug it into a wall outlet using a USB adapter. If it works there, the problem's with your truck, not the camera. But if not, you might need a new dashcam. Don't forget about the memory card. A faulty card can freeze up the whole device. Swap it for a fresh one and see if that helps. Finally, check your owner's manual for any unique Colorado quirks or extra fuse locations. And if all else fails, a quick visit to your dealer or a trusted mechanic should get you back on the road and recording in no time. Stay safe and drive smart.